50s and feeling overwhelmed by money problems? Maybe you've faced huge medical bills, been through a costly divorce, or you're juggling a double-mortgaged home while working a low-paying job. With little to no savings to fall back on, retirement probably feels out of reach. But here's the truth. It's not too late to take control. There are some practical ways to get back on track faster than you might think, and they're often overlooked. Please stick with me, because one of these strategies could make a real difference in your financial future. Before anything can change, the first thing you need to do is take stock of your current financial situation. I get it. It's uncomfortable. But you can't fix what you don't fully understand. Start by listing all your debts, your mortgage, credit cards, medical bills, everything. Then, compare your total expenses to your income. This gives you a clear picture of where you're at. This can feel heavy, but think of it as your first step toward taking control. Knowledge is power. It shows you exactly what needs to be tackled, one piece at a time. And when you have clarity, you can start making better decisions for your future. Debt can feel like a giant weight on your shoulders, especially high-interest debt like credit cards or payday loans. These are the ones costing you the most. One effective way to start tackling debt is by using the debt snowball method. Focus on paying off your smallest debt first. It gives you quick wins, which can help keep you motivated as you tackle larger debts. This approach not only reduces your financial burden, but also gives you momentum. And if your mortgage feels like it's suffocating you, consider contacting your lender. They may offer refinancing or loan modification options, which could lower your monthly payments and give you some breathing room. All right, we've talked about cutting back and managing debt. But what if I told you there's another way, a faster way, to ease that financial pressure? Here's where most people get stuck. They think the only way to improve their finances is by cutting back. But there's a practical way that could get you back on track even faster: increasing your income. And no, you don't need a fancy degree or years of training to make this happen. I know you're working hard, but adding a bit more to your monthly earnings could be a game changer. Have you thought about taking on a side hustle? There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit, where you can turn skills like writing, handyman work, or tutoring into extra income. In fact, if you've spent decades in your industry, your experience is incredibly valuable. Consulting is one great option. Companies are often willing to pay for expert advice. You could also tutor or freelance in your field. Even learning basic online skills like virtual assistants or content creation can open up opportunities. Even if it's just a few $100s extra each month, that money can go directly toward paying off debt or building up your savings. Every little bit helps. And if freelancing isn't your thing, check out remote job boards for part-time work. There are flexible opportunities out there to fit around your schedule. When money is tight, saving can feel impossible. But here's the thing: you don't need to start with a huge amount. The key is consistency. Even putting aside $20 a week adds up over time. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. This way, you're building a habit without having to think about it. This is your safety net. The more you put in, the more secure you'll feel when unexpected expenses hit. And as your income grows, thanks to that side hustle, you can increase your contributions little by little. Retirement might feel like a distant dream right now, especially if you feel behind. But it's not too late. Start by checking your Social Security benefits online so you know what to expect. And if your employer offers a 401k match, contribute enough to get that matching benefit. And if you don't have access to a 401k, consider opening an IRA. Even if you're starting small, every dollar you invest today has the potential to grow. It's about putting away what you can and letting compound interest do the rest. If your home feels like a financial burden, downsizing could be the key to financial relief. Moving to a smaller home or a more affordable area can significantly reduce your monthly costs and free up cash to get back on your feet. Remember, downsizing doesn't mean you're losing. It means you're making a smart, practical decision to lower your bills and focus on what really matters: paying down debt, building savings, and securing your financial future. If medical bills have been eating into your savings, know that there are options out there. Check if you qualify for Medicaid or a sliding scale health clinic. There are also prescription assistance programs that can save you hundreds, if not thousands, on medications. Beyond healthcare, look into food assistance and other support services. Even if you're working, there are programs designed to help people through tough times. These resources can give you some financial breathing room while you get back on track. I know rebuilding your financial life in your 50s feels like an uphill battle, but it's not impossible. With small, intentional steps, like tackling your debt, increasing your income, and even downsizing, you can turn things around. Please focus on progress, not perfection. These small wins will add up over time, and before you know it, you'll be back in control. So, what's your next move? Are you paying off a small debt? Setting up automatic savings? Maybe refinancing your mortgage? Drop a comment below with the first step you're going to take, and let's help each other stay accountable. And if you found this video helpful or know someone who could use a little inspiration to rebuild their financial life, please go ahead and share it with them. Let's spread the message that it's never too late to take control. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and strategies to help you on your journey to financial freedom.